Are you a teacher overwhelmed by the relentless workload? Ever wondered if artificial intelligence can be your trusted ally? As educators, we grapple with numerous challenges. The most pressing of them all is perhaps the staggering workload that comes with the territory. From meticulous lesson planning, rigorous preparation, to objective assessment, marking and providing constructive feedback, the tasks seem endless. And let's not forget the administrative work that often goes unnoticed. It's like being an octopus juggling tasks with all its 8 arms, isn't it? Now, wouldn't it be wonderful if there was a way to handle all these with more efficiency and less stress? Enter artificial intelligence, or AI, a promising solution that's making waves in the educational sector. AI has the potential to not just aid us in managing our workload, but also to transform the way we teach. Intrigued? So let's delve deeper and see how AI can revolutionize the teaching experience. Imagine having a virtual assistant to help you with lesson planning and preparation. That's what AI can do. It can streamline the process of creating lesson plans by suggesting themes, resources, and activities based on your objectives and students' learning styles. It can organize your resources effectively and efficiently, saving you precious time, but that's not all. AI takes customization to a whole new level. It can tailor learning materials to suit the individual needs of each student. Whether it's adjusting the difficulty level of a math problem or providing additional reading for a student who's ahead of the class, AI can do it. It's like having a co-teacher who knows your students as well as you do. This can significantly enhance the learning experience for students, making education more personalized and effective. With AI, preparation becomes less of a chore and more of a creative process. The possibilities are endless, so why not embrace the future today? Tired of spending long nights grading papers? AI can significantly cut down your marking time. It's not just about speed, it's about precision and insight. Here's how. Artificial intelligence can automate the grading process, reducing the burden of manual marking. It can analyze student responses, compare them to a vast database of correct solutions, and assign marks accordingly. This doesn't just save time, it also ensures consistency and fairness in marking. But it doesn't stop there. AI can provide real-time assessment of student performance, tracking their progress and identifying areas where they may be struggling. It can highlight patterns and trends in a student's work, revealing strengths and weaknesses that might otherwise go unnoticed. AI can also provide tailored suggestions for improvement, helping students to learn and grow from their mistakes. This personalized approach to assessment can make a real difference in a student's learning journey. AI doesn't just speed up marking, it makes it more effective and insightful. Feedback is crucial, but it can be time-consuming. And let's not get started on admin work. But what if AI could help? Let's imagine a world where routine administrative tasks no longer eat into your precious time. This is the world of artificial intelligence. AI can automate many of the tedious tasks that teachers routinely face. Think about attendance tracking, scheduling, and even sending out reminders for assignments. These tasks can be easily automated with AI, freeing up time for you to focus on the core of your job, teaching and inspiring young minds. Now let's talk about feedback. As teachers, we know how important it is to provide personalized feedback to each student. But with a large number of students, this can be a daunting task. This is where AI comes into play. AI can analyze student performance data and provide personalized feedback to each student. It can identify areas where the student is struggling and suggest targeted resources to help them improve. This not only makes your job easier, but also helps students get the specific support they need. Moreover, AI can track student progress over time, providing a clear picture of their development. This can be incredibly valuable in understanding how effective teaching strategies are and where adjustments may be needed. But AI is not just about automation, it's about enhancing human capabilities. It can help teachers do their jobs better and more efficiently. It doesn't replace the human touch in teaching, it enhances it. It allows teachers to focus more on their students and less on administrative tasks. Remember, AI is a tool. It's there to assist, not to take over. It's there to help you do what you do best: teach, inspire, and make a difference in the lives of your students. AI takes the load off your shoulder, allowing you to focus on what matters most: teaching. So we have seen how AI can transform various aspects of teaching, but what are the key takeaways? Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We started off by addressing the elephant in the room, the workload challenge. Teachers are often overwhelmed by the sheer amount of tasks they need to handle, but AI can help lighten this load. From planning lessons to managing administrative tasks, AI can step in to make these processes more efficient, allowing teachers to focus on what truly matters, their students. Then we dove into the possibilities of AI in lesson planning and preparation. Remember how AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide personalized learning paths for students? It can also suggest diverse teaching strategies based on each student's learning style, making lesson planning a breeze. Next was the exciting world of AI in assessment and marking. Automated marking systems can save teachers countless hours of grading, while AI-driven assessment tools can provide insights into a student's learning progress, strengths, and areas of improvement. This is not just time-saving, but it also enhances the accuracy and objectivity of evaluations. We then explored how AI can aid in providing feedback and handling administrative work. Automated feedback systems can provide students with immediate, personalized responses, enhancing their learning experience. AI can also handle tedious administrative tasks, such as scheduling and record-keeping, leaving teachers with more time to engage with their students. The benefits of integrating AI into education are immense. It saves time, improves efficiency, and enhances student learning. But it's not just about making life easier for teachers, it's about creating a more personalized, engaging, and effective learning environment for students. In the digital age, AI is not just an option, it is a necessity for teachers who want to stay ahead of the curve. So, let's embrace the future of education, where AI and human creativity work hand in hand to shape the minds of the next generation.